Yo, 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 what is up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to ATV Farms, episode 208, but American Farming, episode 13 of the 1980s farming series, year 2 of farming in the 80s, January 31st, 1981, and today, we've only got one task on hand. Yes, I'm currently still in the shop because I was just checking the oil on the 1086. And I'll show you guys that process as well. But the real reason we're recording today is because we are going to be doing field checks on the wheat ground that I planted last episode on American farming. So, with all that said, let's do the maintenance on the 1086 and go out and check the field. So there's the engine. I'm gonna grab the oil pan. Well, oil looks good, so as you can see, the white thing is the oil pan, and then the black is the actual oil. So oil looks good. So let's go do the field checks. So I'll go ahead and close this door because we're done. Okay. I'll go ahead and close this door because we're done in the shop for today. I should do maintenance on the other tractor too, or the other two tractors, but we can do that next episode in February. So we're walking out to the wheat ground, which is the field off to my left, across the bridge here. I need to invest in a four-wheeler or an ATV or something. Sorry, I don't know what that was about, but so out here is the wheat ground. I mean, it looks like it's growing fairly good. Let's check the field map and see what the map says. I mean, the crop is ankle high already. So that is a good sign that it's growing quick. Let's go ahead and check the crop map and see what the crop map says about growth. So, crop type. Hold on, what plot are we at? I think 2. Field 2. Crop type wheat. Growth. We are between, I think, 20 and 30% grown. It should be at that golden kind of tan, kind of brown color by June, I'd say. But there's the one field that we have planted and ready for harvest. And then in March, we will be starting soybean harvest. So, that'll be it for today. Hope you guys enjoy. And I'll see you guys in episode 209 later on today.